Alright, this is a newer machine. It is a convertible Kenmore. Converts from flatbed to free arm just by removing the extension table. Bobbin access there with class 15 bobbin. It has a little leg on the bottom of the table for stability. Table goes right back on. It does have one plastic gear in it. It's in very good, excellent actually, cosmetic condition. It has 8 built-in stitches, I believe, and an automatic buttonholer. It is a 385.1249 model. Bobbin winder on the top, and it's a very nice, smooth running machine. It's a low shank with bobbins and a zipper foot. And I've been using it on my quilts, so I'm just going to video me sewing a few quilt squares with it. It's a very nice machine, as all Kenmores are. It has lots of lift under the presser foot, which is also classic for Kenmore. Get my pedal over here. Has stretch as well as regular built-ins. I do not have a specific manual for this model, but I can send one for a very similar model, and that will be sent via PDF after sale. Sewing quilt squares together. This machine does use standard low shank accessories and 15x1 needles and class 15 bobbins. Needles and bobbins can be found anywhere, even as easy as Walmart. They have them in stock in their craft aisle. Nice little machine. I already have one similar to this, or else I would be keeping it. It's just serviced and delivered, ready to go. And I'll do one more square here before I run out of time. Free arm, of course, is always nice for pant legs, shirt sleeves, and smaller clothes, like baby clothes, or if you're making some doggy coats. The free arm is always nice for that. Oh, let's see. So now we need... I make blankets for a local charity. Well, quilt tops for a local charity. And that's what I'm doing. I'm putting some tops together. I make blankets for foster kids. Try to do it in the evenings instead of sitting in front of the TV. It's always nice to have so many sewing machines at my disposal. Kenmores are my favorite. And makes a very nice stitch. And that is the Kenmore 10 stitch convertible free arm.